Hey, I'm your host Jeremy, and this is Lingo Yes. In this lesson, we're going to learn top 5 sport games in China. Okay, so when I'm talking about favorite games, sports games in China, the first thing you can think about is, right, ping pong. Ping pong. So how do you say ping pong or table tennis in Chinese? That is 乒乓球. Ping pong qiu. Yeah, that's the most favorite sport game in China. And we can call it like a Chinese national sport game. Yeah, because every time we join the Olympics, we're always the winners, no matter it's men's games, women's games, or mixed games. So we're always the winners. And most Chinese kids, they were trained since they were very child. Like I was trained for playing ping pong for 6 years when I was a child. Right. The second, that is basketball. 篮球. Basketball is also very popular in China. You can see in most of the high schools or junior high schools, there are a lot of basketball playgrounds. That's right. So you can tell that Chinese government's education departments really care about it. The third popular sport game is 足球, which is football. Well, you can't call it football. Like it's not like a rugby, that football. Yeah, it's just a simply football. And only in some really big schools or university they have a football field, and it's really big because kind of a luxury. Not any schools have this because you have to have grasslands. You have a really big space for the football, so it's kind of luxury. But Chinese people love it. They all have watch the football games, and they're very fascinated or very craving for the FIFA, the World Cup. The fourth most popular game is badminton, 羽毛球. Yeah, this is also very, I don't know, it's for Asians, for us, because it's very suitable, and most of the badminton winners are from Asians, because I don't know, it's like we're fitable to this game, like our body structure. And most people who play badminton are at the age of the 30 something, because they think it's not that fiercely like basketball and football, but also help you to exercise and keep a healthy body. The fifth most popular sport game is volleyball, 排球, which is also like ping pong, volleyball, badminton. They're same, not that strong fiercely. And basketball, football is more for younger guys. Okay, so now you understand the most popular sport games in China. And next time you may want to try it, especially ping pong, yeah, with your Chinese friends, because I believe Chinese people are physically are designed for playing ping pong. It's perfect play for ping pong. Okay, so this is Lingo. Yes, I'm your host Jeremy. If you like our program or have any suggestion, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave your comment below. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.